Okay, I kind of love this. I actually kind of love how this looks, and I love having all my books in one place. Because I used to have some in the hallway closet, I used to have some in my bedroom closet, I used to have some in that console in the living room, some on my desk. I like that this is now my book zone. I still have some journals I can decide what to do with. I guess I'll put those there. Okay. All right, that's good. I like it. I want to show you my new glasses. I got these prescription glasses, so I look like a book smart girl. I mean, how cute are these frames? They're tortoise frame, a little bit of a cat eye shape. This is by Pear Eyewear, the sponsor of today's video. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. How cute, but this is just the beginning. These are their base frames, and I can turn these prescription glasses into sunglasses with the top frame. Is that not the most genius thing you've ever seen in your life? I don't have to have two different pairs of prescription glasses for regular daytime and when I go out into the sun. Genius. And then if I just want to change up the look, I can go from this tortoise frame to this black frame, classic, chic. Or if I want to do a more of a statement pair, I pick these out, which is the wood grain. It goes good with the blue sweater. It's so fun. They have over 400 styles. And if you are a prescription glasses girly like I am, they have everything from progressive lenses to light responsive lenses that adjust when you go outside. I use their amazing virtual try-on feature on their website to pick out this pair, the Ella. It helps you see what glasses are going to look best for your face shape. I love a cat eye. I feel like this is a good universally flattering frame, honestly. I love the simplicity of having one pair of glasses, but having several different looks, depending on my mood, depending on my style for the day, and just the ease of going from glasses to sunglasses. And I really like to just kind of go like that and then talk to someone and be like, see you later. I mean, I can't be any cooler. It's just too fun. You can click the link in my description box and you'll get 15% off your first pair. They also have a 30-day return policy to make sure that you love your order. So thank you so much to Pear Eyewear for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to it. All of this was in here, and it's stuff that I need to find a way to organize. You know, micro organizing. This box is too big to just house a bunch of loose stuff, so I'm gonna use my Ziploc baggies. I have the teeny tiny ones and these slightly bigger ones. So it's really like playing, what was that game? Is it Memory, where you find similar items? You look at a picture of one person and then you find the other one and match them together. That's basically what this is. So we're finding similar things, putting them together. Okay, this is office supply. This little tool, I already have a tool bag. I'm gonna move that. Batteries, let's put batteries in here. Ketchup packet, that can go in the trash. I started a little trash envelope. Trash, 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 trash. So this box is basically the equivalent of a junk drawer. You know, those areas of our homes where it just becomes a black hole for random stuff, cables, receipts, things I swear I know I will need at some point, and if I throw it away, I'm probably going to need it the next day. So I'm finally tackling this. I'm using the little Ziploc baggies to micro organize everything. Cords in one, all the random office supplies like paper clips in their own spot. This is a very satisfying mini organizing project to do, just to have everything in a proper place instead of floating around in chaos. Small effort, but it makes a big difference. Definitely recommend, if you have one of these junk zones in your house, get a bunch of little clear plastic baggies and tackle it. Camera stuff is going in this bag. These are my portable lights. I like using clear Ziploc bags because you can see what's in them. Whereas if it was in these little pouches, I wouldn't know. I'd have to open each one. All right, let's do one for cords and cables. Cord. There's some cords in this house. All of the cords. I'm gonna go relocate these things to the kitchen because this goes under the sink in the toolbox. Lens cleaner. I'm gonna get rid of these. Yeah, I learned I don't like them. Right, this. All right, these, I have a place for these. I started a bin for office type things, Post-it notes, stapler, like a whiteout pen. That's good. And then this here has become basically all my camera equipment. But I know I have more in the living room, so I'm gonna bring this box over there to finish filling it up. But I've got my lights, lenses, cables, microphone thingies and battery packs. And I like that it's all clear. I can see everything. This, I need to find the other match too. Let's go work in the living room. This is much better. And then I need a mementos box. For now, I'm gonna put these in my cabinet and where my books are. This is what's happening in here. This used to be so beautifully organized. And then there's this one, another messy drawer. This one I think is good. Yeah, this one's good. But let's start with this drawer. I will be very happy to get it organized again, and anything that needs to be decluttered. See, this is like a camera thing. So this is gonna house all my camera stuff. Okay, let's do this drawer. Let's do it. I've been dreading that for a long time. Hi, baby. Say hi to all your fans. Taking it easy today, huh? Yeah. We're gonna go outside and get some sun in a little bit. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use this area as the clear workspace and just take all of the stuff out.
Oye, dale. Miguelito. Bambi, hey. Frontera Bugalú. Rachetón. Hey. Pa' que sepa. Dale, mi negrita, baby, baila. Ese cuerpito de tequila y playa. Y Mayita en bikini soleada. Bien cabrón cuando baila rebajada. Ese bajo mueve tan heavy. Muy suelta con ritmo bien heavy. Tan prendida cuando me lo pida. Y el culazo cuando me lo pida. Dale, baby, tíralo para atrás. Tira una cumbia con dale nalga. Moviendo la cadera como soltera. Periando 50, otra manera. Ella, dale, baby, tíralo para atrás. Para atrás. Hey. Periando 50, otra manera. Ella. No hay nadie como ella. No hay nadie como ella. Bambi Hayes. La manera que te mueves sensual como terapia. Tiene todo lo que yo quiero como lap de rap. Me convierte en un bounce y un flow bien chapi. Yo la canto para ti que como tú no hay copy. Préndelo y trágate el humo. Esta colombiana chimba le gusta como yo fumo. Sabe que me atrae, mami, no lo disimulo. Dejemos de charlar, ahora vamos a cruzar. Dale, hey. cuando está aquí. No quiero joder esto, baby, vamos tranqui. Bailamos una cumbia, baby, let's see. Baby, tú no sé, me llama al baja. Espérate, me quita mal de nervio cuando está aquí. No quiero joder esto, baby, vamos tranqui. Bailamos una cumbia, baby, let's see. Baby, tú no sé, me llama al baja para el mundo estrella. Dale, baby, tíralo para atrás. Tira una cumbia, tóngale nalga.
This is done. Top drawer organized. This drawer is all camera filming stuff. This is cards, candles, jewelry making. And then this is stuff that is gonna be just trash. This is donate. I'm gonna continue to add to this basket in the coming weeks. But it looks good. I'm very happy. Yeah, it feels good. I got this idea from my friend Michael, who has been on the channel before. We did a closet declutter, and I'm actually gonna see him tonight with my friend Michelle, who's also been on. She's my friend who moved to Paris a couple years ago. So we're all going out to dinner tonight. She's in town. Michael told me about this idea of adding micro joys to your life or to your day. Like, what are little tiny things you can do each day to bring you joy, whether that's, you know, shining your sink, getting yourself some flowers or picking flowers. So I've been adding to my list little by little over this last couple of weeks. So here's my list so far. My friend started this playlist. It's a 90s nostalgic playlist, and we're both adding to it. She's in Alabama, my friend Emily. And so just listening to 90s music, like music from my childhood, my high school years, and when I first went to music school. So we're building this catalog of 90s songs and just trying to find all these different songs that we still love to play and sing and listen to. So that's been bringing me a lot of joy. Watching White Lotus, this show on HBO, there's a new season out, and I love that show. I'll probably go back and watch season 1 and season 2, but this season, season 3, is taking place in Thailand, and it's a feast for the eyes. I love seeing all the rich people in this fictional show with all their rich people problems. It's just really, it's fun. It's a good escape show. Okay, the other thing, freshly washed sheets, which I'm getting taken care of right now, getting my laundry done for me, check. Opening windows in the morning. This is like particularly in spring. I like that the days are longer, the sun is out, and I just like to open up the windows in the living room and open up my back door and just let fresh air in. Okay, also on the list, planning group hangouts. So specifically getting me and at least 2 other friends together. Usually it's like a trio. Like tonight's dinner is me, Michelle, and Michael. That's the best to me. I love one-on-one time with a friend, but getting a trio together, that's like the real fun for me. And then going for my walks in spring and just going out and listening to my music and getting my my heart pumping. Yeah, the whole endorphins thing is, yeah, really helpful. That's my joy list. But the rest of the day, my agenda is go for the walk with Samson, take Samson to the dog park because I want to give him some energy, and I know he always loves that. And then I want to get ready and head out to dinner and meet my friends, and that's it. Do a little bit of work, do a little bit of play, good balance. All right, let's go for a walk.
For me, I came back to like grab laundry or something.